This video is going to be about the population modeling process for households. So the idea behind population modeling is to ascertain the total wastewater discharge in gallons per minute from each segment of the collection system being monitored by iTracker smart sensors. A segment is defined as all the homes and facilities residing between a pair of iTrackers. For a segment containing only a single-family homes, a value of 150 gallons per day per household will be applied. Average U.S. household size of 2.5 persons per household multiplied by the mean daily per capita indoor water use of 60 gallons per person per day totals 150 gallons per day per household being discharged into wastewater collection systems. For each individual segment of the collection system, enter the number of homes in the box labeled households. This can be achieved by using Google Maps to ascertain the number of residencies and businesses between a pair of iTrackers. A value of 150 gallons per day per household will automatically be applied to the total number of households. An example of this is if you have 10 households and you plug that in, it'll multiply 10 times that 150. So what I'm going to show you now is how to go through this process. So the first step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a flow line so that these connect. So the first step to doing that is going to edit basin. Just click any one of these and just connect them. And you want to hit that check mark and you want to hit update basin. So the most important step is you're going to want to follow the flow line directions. So because this goes from manhole 2 to manhole 1, we're going to count the manholes going this way and input that value here. So the best way to start with that is right here for this manhole, because there's nothing ahead of it. We'll just put 2 for there for now. And then from there, we are going to now count the households leading to manhole 1. So to do that, you simply go like this. You make sure you zoomed in so you can see the households. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So right here, you input a value of 16 into your selected site tab. And that's how you do your population modeling. It's as simple as that. So you basically just connect the flow lines to the direction that your sewer map shows, and then you follow that, and you count all the households in between, and you put them where the arrow ends up right here. And that's simply how you do population modeling for just households, not including any businesses or other type of buildings.